Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Dailey, founder and director of the Wellness Center. If you're watching this video, you most likely suffer from chronic fatigue syndrome. I have successfully treated dozens of people with chronic fatigue syndrome. I'm going to do two things on this short video. First is to explain what chronic fatigue is, and second is to offer you a gift certificate for a complete examination and evaluation. To get the gift certificate, just fill out the box to the right with your email and first name, and we'll direct you to a website with a printable gift certificate. But first, let's talk about chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue syndrome is much more than just being tired a lot. People with chronic fatigue are so run down that it can interfere with their lives and can make it hard to function at all. Some people with chronic fatigue say that they have trouble staying on top of their responsibilities at home, on the job, while others are severely disabled and even bedridden. Furthermore, they're not just dealing with extreme fatigue, but a wide range of other symptoms, which include flu-like symptoms in some cases and chronic pain. After years of research, experts now suspect that something called central sensitization is at least partially to blame for chronic fatigue syndrome. They also believe that's what makes it so similar to fibromyalgia, which shares a lot of the same symptoms and features. The Center for Disease Control, or CDC, says the first credible evidence of a biological basis for chronic fatigue syndrome came in 2006 when 20 researchers from different specialties each linked the illness with genes involving the sympathetic nervous system and the HPA axis, which is hypothalamus pituitary axis. These genes control how your body responds to things like injury and stress. Many researchers believe at least some cases of chronic fatigue are caused by abnormal reactions to common infectious agents. However, multiple studies suggest that the immune system may be chronically active in people with chronic fatigue, and this is something I see frequently, which could at least partially explain the fatigue and lack of energy. Basically, your body thinks it's fighting an infection, whether it is or not, and that takes a lot of energy. As a chiropractic physician, we can diagnose and as a chiropractic physician and one trained in functional medicine, as a chiropractic physician and one trained in functional medicine, we can diagnose the cause of this condition and treat it with the appropriate clinical treatment. Please fill out the form to the right, get your gift certificate, as well as a few tips on beating chronic fatigue. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you the very best of health.